If you keep data logged on a Google Sheet, you may occasionally need to scan for and purge repeat entries to prevent any issues. Here's how you can go about it. The easiest way to find repeat entries would be to use Google's Find in Sheet feature. Once you've got your sheet open in a tab, hold down your Control key, then tap F to bring up a search window. From here, type in a cell value that should be unique. If there's a repeat, the search window will identify more than one separate result to check. If you've found a duplicate entry, feel free to delete it by right-clicking on the duplicate row and selecting Delete Row. If you need to find and delete repeat entries automatically, select your entire table, then click on Data and select Remove Duplicates. On the window that pops up, deselect all the columns listed under Columns to Analyze and select which columns you want the program to scan for repeats in. Google Sheets will keep the first encountered entries and delete subsequent repeat entries. If you liked this guide, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.